I found a new love in electricity cuts and rain. They both might seem disrupting, but are not all vain. With surging population, houses are getting dense, but thanks to the virtual world, distance still remains immense. No one cares for interactions. Neighborhood has become like foreign. So has the world transformed that Siri is the new companion. But when rain falls and people feel thrilled, although briefly, but some voids are filled, so does the electricity cut by acting as a channel, nurturing a connect and bringing souls on a common panel.